in the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you're going to spit fire.
What's up? We live. It's another vid, and we here with that man raw character. Y'all already know the vibes. Today, man, there's about to be a bunch of shit going on today. Today, I'm about to go to Arch real quick, go pick up a sensor for the E36 because I brought it to my fab man Charlie SSP. If y'all know, y'all know. One of the fab goats in Brooklyn. But I brought the car to him, parked it outside, waiting for him to pull up. Go to start the car back now to bring it in his shop. Car don't want to start. It's cranking, no start. And I had that same issue when I first put it together. Let me close this window. I had that issue when I first put it together, and it was the crank position sensor. So I'm hoping that's what it is now. So I'm gonna buy an OEM one because I had bought one from AutoZone. Don't come at me, chat.
What did you say?
AutoZone is not the vibe for BMW, and they sensors broke them. All right, but we're gonna get a new OEM sensor, and we're gonna put that in the car. And hopefully it's working. Got the new 3-inch intercooler piping done on both sides.
Hose. Button that.
Got the shit done because it was from 2.5 on the hot side and 2.75 on the cold side, so it's full 3 all the way around. So yeah, we're finna see what this car's finna do. Then I got some shit that I'm about to do to the E92 today as we driving right now. Yo, it's supposed to be a lit day. What you jacking, Brody?
It's supposed to be a lit day. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You might see some shit happen today.
And I'm supposed to bring the bumpers from my M3 bumper for the E36 and the OEM bumper to the shop so they could paint match the M3 bumper. And a lot of shit is going down today, so stay tuned, y'all. Yo, chat, it's a legendary moment. I'm trying to start the car and it won't start inside the fab shot. Alright, we got the freaking old crank sensor out. I need a new friggin' bolt, bro, because this is stripped. And this is gonna give me hell the next time I gotta take it out again, bro. Like, if I ever have to take it out again. I could just say fucking send it, though.
I mean, you know what?
Might just say fucking send it. If Charlie don't got another bolt, then just fucking send it.
If you know, you know what this is.
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National.
Started, and we are getting ready to get out of this guy's shop. There, we about to spin by my other boy to get something situated with my E92, and then I don't even know where the video is gonna go for there, but I'm hyped right now. Like, all right, we outside. Little cruise going on with the guys. Y'all see his plate though? On my way, babe. Oh yeah, he's tweaking. Live in a 92. Had the tuning specialist right there, but not the tuner. Got that nigga in the back. Got that nigga in the back. Bro, what you mean, bro? You rolling a spliff, bro? Just a spliff, bro. That's not federal, bro. We in New York. Weed is legal, bro.
Straight to back, yo.
Manda made it into Target, bro. We're trying to find a data transfer cable so that we could connect to the motive and flash over the rest of the files. Niggas is doing their last minute Christmas shopping. Yo, it's too much going on in here right now. Good morning, y'all. Today is day 2 of the vlog series from yesterday, because unfortunately we were not able to get a cable to connect to the reflex, so couldn't get to put the car on E85 last night, sadly, but today we're trying to get that done. I'm on my way to, sorry. Ooh, sound good. I'm on my way to get another cable to try again to plug into the laptop and the motive and see if that works. And if that works, then I'll pick up the camera, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing, and then we're gonna go get some E-boys. This is like the 4th cord that I bought. Nothing has worked. Nothing has worked.
You're making me angry. Oh, am I?
So I ordered one off of Amazon last night, like a proper data transfer cable, like what Motive sends with the box, because I bought the box secondhand and I didn't get a cable with it. So I bought one off Amazon last night. It's supposed to be coming today, so when it comes, we'll pick that back up. Now I'm about to go get my brother's Durango, and then I'm gonna go back home and get the bumpers, and then we out to the body shop.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps on the facts, and they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they apart.
Bumpers are in the car. It's time to go.
That's gas.
That Quan nigga.
Quan.
Yo, Quan! Wagwan!
Okay.
Nah, don't pull up though, but Wagwan. Man, we out to the body shop. Bumpers in the back. Y'all can see it's lit. We got a couple other things to do today. I don't even know how this video is gonna go, bro. We just vlogging the vlog right now at this point. But that's the vibe. It'd be the spontaneous shit that be lit.
That's a fact.
I can do it 220.
All right.
So when leaving out, pick it up tomorrow.
200 flat? Yeah?
Anybody else want to negotiate?
All right, boss.
All right.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Yeah, I heard the vibes. 200 to get the bumper painted. You jacking that? 200? Yeah, that's a valid, bro. And we're gonna get it back tomorrow. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see. Yo, this is prick. It's prick. Yo, chat. My man's had the E92 for a little bit for the rest of the day. Same vlog. Caught a flat. Somebody almost smacked him to like some serious shit. Like somebody almost smacked. Their car is fucked up. Cause they ran into the bushes. Bro, crazy situation, but. Damn, chat. Tire is flat, rim is bent. Yo, fuck. Shit, chat. We just bought, what's it called? A jack from Walmart and shit. We want to change that. Go bring this tire to a tire shop and try to put it back in the car. Need a low profile jack. I forgot that my fucking car is low, bro. Shit don't fit underneath there. We trying to go. Rod just went to go see if he could find a brick something that we could drive up onto and get it in there. I know the wind noise and stuff is gonna be hard to hear me, but we're looking for something somewhere. We're in some random alley right now looking for a brick. Oh, he found one. You got something.
Chat, y'all don't even know what's going on.
Oh my God. No, it's a froyo out here right now. Like, yo, son. So I'm bringing the wheel to the tire shop. I don't know if y'all can see right here. I'm trying to get this thing to focus. There's a crack right there. There is a crack in the rim, chat. So can't even get that fixed. I'm gonna go get a spare from the crib from off another car. And we're gonna come back. I was supposed to be shopping for Christmas this night. It's like 3 days before Christmas and we're here doing this right now. Like, it's always something with cars, always. Wheel is secured back to my car now. It's cold. Back at the car. When I went home for the tire, the data cable came for the motive, so we're gonna try to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone right now while we're changing the other tire back onto the car. See if we could get this shit to connect to the motive, because that was the whole point of part of this vlog, was getting the motive. So let's see if we could do that. What was supposed to be like that's like what, I don't even know, like 197 time trying with a different frigging data cable. No cable that I got is connected to my reflex. At this point, I'm gonna order a actual cable from Motive tonight. Next day air, see if I get that tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, because they're not gonna ship it until tomorrow. So see if I get it Tuesday. So today is Sunday, so we'll see. And if they don't ship it tomorrow, I'm not getting it until Thursday because Christmas is right around the corner. So we're gonna see that if that's the problem, and if that cable from Motive doesn't work, then it's the reflex. I'm gonna try somebody else's reflex and then we're gonna go from there because I really don't know why the cables won't connect or my computer won't see when I plug into the reflex. Tire lost, reflex not connected, didn't go shopping, bro.
I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave.